Landing a high-ticket roofing job online isn't just luck. It's about using the right marketing channels to attract homeowners who are already ready to spend serious cash. If you want those $15,000 to $50,000 roofing jobs, start by zeroing in on your audience. Like, real estate agents can be gold mines if you build trust by showing up at their events and offering free roof inspections tied to their home inspections. Use search engine optimization to make sure when people search for roof replacement, roof repair, or roofing contractor near me, your site pops up at the top. Google Ads can work, but only if your ads target specific neighborhoods or zip codes where you want work. Facebook ads are great for retargeting folks who visited your website or engaged with your posts, so you stay on their radar. YouTube videos explaining common roof problems and your solutions create trust and help with organic search too. Make your content simple and straight up. No fluff. Like how to spot a roof leak or signs you need a new roof so people actually watch and share. And always have a clear call to action like book a free inspection or get your quote today so they know what to do next. One of the biggest mistakes in roofing marketing is targeting everyone instead of focusing on high-value clients like real estate pros or homeowners ready to invest big money. Fix that by niching down and customizing your message for them. Another issue is not optimizing your website for local SEO, which means you miss out on people searching for best roofing contractor in your city. Fix it by adding local keywords, Google My Business listings, and reviews. Last, many roofers rely only on cold calls or cheap lead services that don't convert into high-ticket jobs. Instead, build relationships with local agents and use targeted online ads combined with solid content that educates and sells at the same time. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners looking for trusted local contractors because it connects them with screened pros who actually deliver quality work. For contractors, it's a sweet way to get serious leads from people ready to move forward on big home improvement projects without wasting time chasing dead-end calls.